gene that alternative form of gene, yes. So allele is alternative form of gene. Yes, please. Okay. Okay. So we are discussing some questions from inheritance and genetic crosses. And first of all, we have discussed allele, that is an alternative form of gene, or in other words, what I usually tell my students, it's like partner genes. Like if one gene is present on one of the chromosome, the other also have the same thing. It can be same or like the same letter, or it can be a smaller letter or a capital letter, whatever. It can be opposite of it, but it's a partner of gene. So, first question, gene for body color has a dominant allele for gray body and then a black body, which is recessive. Now, what are dominant alleles and what are recessive alleles? Expressive? Okay. Okay. And what is the recessive one? Great. Expresses when in homozygous pair. So the question says, explain how would you determine in the if the genotype of a gray fly is homozygous or a heterozygous? Test cross. Test cross with whom? Recessive. Recessive dominant? No, when you are recessive, with the recessive alleles. When you test cross it with recessive alleles. Okay, in a fruit fly, the males are XY and females are XX. A cross between a gray body male fly and a black body female fly produce some black body females. Explain how this show that the gene for body color is not sex linked. You didn't get the question? Shall I explain it? Okay. So we know very well that males have XY and females have XX. So there are some alleles which are present on, for example, some sex linked gene as like chromosome X or Y. So if they are like present on a like sex linked X or Y, then they are transferred to certain, like if it's present on X, then they are like transferred to all females. If it's present on Y, then it is transferred to all males. Okay. Now here they have said that it produces only some black body females, not all. Okay. So explain how this show that the gene for body color is not sex linked. They've given you answer in the question as well, that only some are black, not all. Then all females would be, then all females, exactly. Okay. Next question. A population contained 18%, sorry, 19% gray body flies. Use a Hardy-Weinberg equation to calculate the percentage of flies for, sorry, percentage of flies. So what is the answer? So you can do this? Okay. Okay. So, okay, then let's discuss this later. So first we'll discuss the next question then. Then we'll do it. Okay, in a fruit flies, genes for wing shaped have a dominant allele for like curly ones are capital R, and for recessive allele for like small r, the alleles for this gene are on the different pair of chromosomes from the gene of body color. Fruit flies that are homozygous, sorry, I'm just copy pasting, so I'm just reading from the fruit flies. Sorry, where is the question? The alleles for the genes. Fruit flies that are homozygous dominant for curly wings do not survive beyond the embryo stage. A curly winged fly homozygous for gray color was crossed with a curly winged. Okay, complete the genetic diagram. First of all, we need to write the genotype. So when we talk about the genotype, we can also write like we need to write what is like capital letter or what is small letter. So what do we write? It's written. It's homozygous dominant. Okay, wait. I guess I've read. It's here. They have a dominant allele that has the capital R, and then there is recessive allele which is small r. So okay. So gray one is denoted by what? It's gray one is, yeah. It's for gray is capital G and black is small g. Yes, yes. So look, it would be like this: capital R and capital G, and it would be curving capital R and small g. So what would be genotype of offspring if you do the like the the skewer? Shall we do the skewer? Okay. A curly wing fly homozygous for gray body was crossed with the curly wing. Okay, it's a homozygous. Yeah, it's mentioned homozygous. It's capital R small capital G, capital R, capital G, and here we have capital R small g and capital R small g. Now make a cross of it. Can you do the cross by yourself? Okay. Okay. Hmm. Correct. Yes, 1 to 1. And what would be phenotype? Okay. Curly wings. So, okay. So three offspring would have curly wing, gray body, and one offspring would have normal wings. Okay. Okay, 1 to 1. Okay. Okay. Okay.